Forever. Blue Forever raises money for Quick Clock Belt Trauma Kits. These kits include Quick Clock hemostatic gauze that can help to clot an officer's blood and prevent traumatic bleeding. Tonight I have a booth set up, and I'm selling my Blue Forever t-shirt that Dennis has. Also has some ink pens, and you can come by the booth if you want, and you can learn about how to set up a fundraiser in your area or make a donation. Thank you.
Good job, Kelly.
Thank you, Kelly. You want to give this one away?